Okay, today we're going to be looking at substitution. Now, as we've talked about before, substitution is a bit like football. Okay, if you had a player, let's say player number X, okay, he was playing, then suddenly we'd had enough of him, so we're going to swap him in, and in this case we're going to swap him in with player number 4. So whatever X used to be doing, 4 is now doing instead. It's a substitution. 4 has replaced X. So let's look at how we do this. So we're saying that X is 4. So every time there's X, we're going to replace it with 4. Let's look at this. If I replace X with 4, would that make 64? Well, no, it wouldn't. Remember that this means 6 times X. So 6 times 4. So 6X is worth 24. Here, if we replace X with 4, we've got 4, subtract 3, which is 1. Again, we'd replace X with 3 in these other ones. Let's look at some of the more interesting ones down here. X squared, replace X with 4, is 4 squared. Remember, that means 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. Be careful with this one. You're replacing X with 4, so you have to keep the order the same. 6 take away 4 is 2, and this is the sort of thing we're really interested in here. So I'm replacing X with 4, remembering this means 5 times X, so 5 times 4, take away 6. Now what am I going to do first? We must remember our orders of operation, BIDMAS you sometimes call it. So I don't have brackets, I don't have indices, but I do have multiply, so I'm going to do that first. So that's 20, take away 6, which is 14. Okay, so substitution is literally just replacing a letter with a number. Anytime the letter comes, you put the number in instead, and you just replace it and get your answer each time. Have a go yourself now.